Hi writing students, welcome to week 8. This week we're going to focus on multimodal storytelling, which is sort of a different way of talking about multimedia storytelling, might be a more familiar term to you. This is going to be a really important week. I want to see you apply the concepts this week in your final group project. Basically, we're going to be learning about how you use different platforms, different formats to create stories that are more well-rounded, that are more engaging, that are targeted to your specific audience and the focus of your story in inventive, creative ways. One of the biggest mistakes that new writers make is that they don't think about different media formats when they're planning a story and telling a story. They just write text, and that's going to make for a boring story. It's not going to meet reader expectations in this digital realm. So I want to see this applied in your websites. Make sure that this is built into the rubric for grading your websites. Make sure that you are taking into account these lessons. Also this week, you're gonna have a lesson on how to specifically incorporate different things like images, video, socials into your content on WordPress. So it's a more practical lesson. And I'm also gonna have built into your WordPress lesson this week, how you add navigation onto your site, which is really important because without navigation, without good navigation, your websites are going to be really confusing, and that's going to be something you're graded on as well. It's the sort of organization and navigation that you use in your sites. You will have a quiz this week. Once again, you will have a discussion, and your discussion, I'm going to ask you to share a tool that you use. This could be as basic as a Word doc, but I always find when I do this exercise in this class, there are new tools that are shared. I find things that I can use. So I really want it to be a useful discussion for you this week. As always, make sure that you contact me with any questions. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to do your event storytelling. Don't wait until the last minute to go attend an event. You still have a little bit of time to do this, but the clock is ticking. We're coming close to the end of this class. So make sure you are attending an event in addition to working on your group projects.